If Photoshop is opening in an old version on your computer, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it quickly and make sure you always launch the newest installed version. This matters because sometimes your desktop shortcut or file association still points to an older Photoshop release, even when you already have the latest one installed through Creative Cloud. So instead of opening the wrong version every time, we're going to fix the shortcut and also set things up the right way in Creative Cloud. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the most common problem, which is the shortcut itself. Go to your desktop and right-click your Photoshop shortcut. From the menu, click Open File Location. This will show you exactly where that shortcut is pointing. If you see that it opens a folder for an older version like Photoshop 2022 or Photoshop 2023, then that means your shortcut is outdated and sending you to the wrong installation. That's why the old version keeps opening. Now we need to point it to the correct version. On your computer, go to C:\program files /Adobe / and look for the latest Photoshop folder. Open the newest Photoshop version folder you have installed. Inside that folder, find Photoshop.exe. Right-click Photoshop.exe and choose Send to Desktop to create a new shortcut. Once that new shortcut is created, you can use it to open the latest version directly. After that, go ahead and delete the old shortcut so you don't accidentally use it again. This simple fix solves the issue for a lot of people because the old desktop icon is usually the main reason Photoshop keeps launching the wrong version. Now, let's move on to the Creative Cloud method, which is another very reliable fix. Open the Adobe Creative Cloud app on your computer. Once it loads, go to the Apps tab. This is where you can see all of your Adobe applications and installed versions. Find Photoshop in the list, and instead of launching it from an old shortcut, click Open from there. When you open Photoshop directly from Creative Cloud, it should always launch the latest installed version available on your system. This is a great way to make sure you're opening the correct app and not the older one by mistake. If Photoshop still keeps opening the wrong version after that, the best long-term fix is to remove the old versions completely. Go back into Creative Cloud and open installed apps. Look for any older Photoshop versions you no longer need. Click the three dots next to the old version, then choose Uninstall. This helps prevent confusion permanently because there's only one version left for your system to find. Once the older copies are gone, your computer is much less likely to launch the wrong Photoshop build again. After uninstalling the old versions, it's a good idea to restart your computer and then test Photoshop again from Creative Cloud or from the new shortcut you created. That way you can confirm everything is now opening correctly. If it works, great, you've solved the issue. If not, check one more time that you're launching the newest shortcut and not an old pinned icon from your taskbar or desktop. So to recap, if Photoshop is opening in an old version, the fix is usually to check the shortcut location, create a new shortcut from the latest Photoshop.exe in the Adobe folder, open Photoshop through Creative Cloud, and uninstall any outdated versions you no longer need. These steps will save you time, prevent confusion, and help make sure you always open the right version of Photoshop. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Photoshop fixes and beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.